ever find it challenging to track down essential systems like air, water, electricity, or gas in your building? For example, you need to find out where an air vent or pipe goes, but you don't want the repairman breaking down walls and climbing into the attic to find out. With Inmapz, say goodbye to all of the hassle. Open the Inmapz app and select your building. Here, everything is visually mapped out for you. Need to find a specific circuit breaker or ventilation route? Just tap and Inmapz will guide you there. With Inmapz, you save time, effort, and avoid unnecessary wall breaking and attic climbing. Join the Inmapz revolution today for effortless building maintenance every time.